Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about the importance of choosing your location for investing wisely and not following the crowd. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Now, I am in Stowe, Vermont today, a particularly small town, kind of a one stretch of main road, and it got me thinking that how often do people think the only spot they can look for properties is on the main street? If you're always looking for properties, let's say at the corner of Main and Main, you're not going to find many deals. You got to learn how to get off the main drag. You've got to look for other places that you will find deals. Look, if it's on the same bus route and the same main drag that everyone drives down, that's not where you're going to find your best deals. They're not on Main Street, right? It's not the corner of Main and Main that you find the best deals. It's off the side, down those dead-end roads, in the cul-de-sacs, on that street that people don't go down quite as often. So when you are out driving for deals, keep that in mind. Look for something different. Look for something, I don't want to say exotic, but let's say off the beaten path, because those people are not getting everybody contacting them. They're not getting absolutely everybody coming their way. And that is where you are going to find your best deals. If you are trying to avoid the crowd and get away from the crowd, then you got to get off of the corner of Main Street and Main Street. Now remember, it's not just small town America where you can get stuck with no deals at the corner of Main and Main because it's too popular. But that same holds true for the big cities. I think people in the big cities think there's only going to be the hot neighborhoods where they're going to find deals, or only in the popular suburbs, or only those with the best schools. But quite honestly, remember, people live everywhere. So as long as you get off of the main street, get off of the main drag, and start digging for those deals, you're going to find them. So keep that in mind as you go, because it works out really, really good for you. That's my simple tip for the day. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the like button below and share it with a friend. If you're on Facebook, if you are watching on email or YouTube, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified. That way we'll meet more great people just like you. For Traction Real Estate Mentors from Stowe, Vermont, it's Tom Zeeb signing off.